1, 2, 3. I can touch you through the phone, or kiss you through the universe. In another time zone, that's the only time I can reverse. But when there's two dimensions, there's only one I'm missing. If you feel alone, you don't have to feel that no more. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, and if you let me.
Ay, di syempre.
Yung ginupit niya yung bangs niya.
Oo nga, parang...
Parang ball.
Oo nga, parang ang dami-dami ba to? I only watch them. I don't watch any other K-pop. Just them. I don't watch and I don't listen to any other K-pop, no?
Grabe, nagkakagulo nga yung sa Paris eh. Di ba si Jean?
Bakit?
Ando si Jean. Nag-ano siya, nag-Gucci, ano.
Ay, Gucci ambassador. Si
Ambassador.
Jean.
Oo, tapos ang Latini Dakota.
Nilalandi ni Dako.
Oo.
Ay, sa bagay, kilala niya yun dahil ano ni...
Magkatabi sila.
Ano yun eh. BFF sila ni Chris Martin eh.
Oo
di
nga.
ba?
Eh dito naman si Jean. Para namang ano.
Okay, saan kayo pupunta guys?
Saan tayo pupunta? We're gonna watch JK.
I'm still.
I am still.
Tatlo pala kayo na I'm
Fantastic.
still.
Oo.
Ano yung I'm still?
Title ng movie niya.
A documentary niya. So, we're excited. Bora hey. Sabihin mo, Bora hey. I purple you.
Last week I found a message in a bottle. It's like go home, ain't nobody love you no more. I can't disagree. So last night I went to the club, had a couple too many, threw up. Now everybody's laughing at me, 'cause I'm way too sad to dance. I'm way too sad to dance.
My army bag.
Army bag. Patingin ng army. Ay, oh.
May
Taray.
army, ano.
Ganda. Yung t-shirt mo, ano yan?
I'm still. Jungkook.
Aray.
At
Bakit?
yung ano.
Ay,
and the pendant. Army pendant.
I want one.
Diba?
Yung ano niya.
Ano ka?
Ito lang ang army ko ngayon. Ang ganda nga eh. Nag-usap kayo dyan?
Isa lang in-order namin.
Yung boots ni Yuri, pakita natin. Ganda. Your army bag. Show us your army bag.
With this one, with my RB bomb. And my, of course, my JK. I love. And another JK.
Thanks, Mom. Excited ka na?
I'm very excited.
Last week I found a message in a bottle. It's like go home, ain't nobody love you no more. I can't disagree. So last night I went to the club, had a couple too many, threw up. Now everybody's laughing at me, 'cause I'm way too sad, way too. So last night I went to the club, had a couple too many, threw up. Now everybody's laughing at me, 'cause I'm way too sad to dance. I'm way too sad to dance. 'Cause I got too caught up, my friends agree. A broken heart and nobody, and that's why I'm too sad to dance. And now I just wait by the telephone. You ain't coming back and I should've known. And that's why I'm too sad to dance. Oh, Da-da-dum, 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 dum-da-da-da-da-da-dum. That's why I'm too sad to
Rent the whole
dance.
cinema for this.
This morning I knocked your door just to admit my flaws, but you said you've heard it all before. And this Christmas I got no gifts. Do I really deserve all this? So I head straight down to the liquor store. Cause I'm way too sad today.
망설인다는 걸 알아 진심을 말해줘 결국 다 흉터절로 돌아오니까 힘내란 뻔한
How's it, Mom?
Dali lang kuya.
Jungkook is such a perfect man. He's
Kailangan
an
namin ng time to
angel. I need to digest. I need to savor every moment. He's so good. Isn't he perfect? He's like an angel. He's my angel now.
망설인다는 걸 알아 진심을 말해줘 결국 다 흉터절로 돌아오니까
힘내란 뻔한 말은 하지 않을 거야. 난 내게 들려줄게.
내가 뭐랬어 이길 거랬잖아 믿지 못했어 이길 수 있을까 이 기적이 아닌 기적을 우리가 만든 걸까 난 여기 있었고 네가 내게 다가와 준 거야 I do believe your galaxy 듣고 싶은 너의 멜로디 널 은하수의 별들은 너의 하늘이 과연 어떻게 수놓지 날 절망 끝에 결국 내가 널 찾았음을 잊지 마넌 철벽 끝에 서있던 내 마지막 이유야 Live
내가 남기 싫은 날 영영 사라지고 싶은 날 문을 하나 만들자 너의 맘속에 닿게 문을 열고 들어가면 이곳이 기다릴 거야 믿어도 괜찮아 널 위로해줄 magic shot 따뜻한 천잔을 마시며 저음의 술을 얼른 떠보며 넌 괜찮을 거야 여기 magic shot So show me So show me So show me Show you
병든 장미꽃처럼 날리던 벚꽃처럼